What's that one called? Number 3 cone.
Number 3 cone. Like you can put it like a party hat.
That one is called silver crystallinium. I don't know what that is.
Yeah.
Shoots sparks probably. Whoa, that's a big one. Garden in Spring, 7 shots. Shoots flaming balls. Oh boy.
Oh boy, that's probably going to be.
Next up, whoa, the hornet's nest. These ones are kind of dangerous. That's why you need your mom and dad to be with you. Oh boy, that's a cake. It's called Happy Fireworks. 36 shots.
36 shots. The last one is
A tank.
like
Let's see, it's called Tank with Star.
it's like this.
Probably. That's the last of them.
And
Can't wait to shoot them off, right?
yeah. Alright guys, we're done for our video. Here are all the stuff. And we'll see you on part 3. But there's no more stuff in here.
Thanks for watching.
Bye. Bye.